Hi everyone, and happy Monday. It's November 23rd, and I want to record a quick video to help you with this enrichment assignment. So you'll notice when you're doing this, there are a couple problems where one of the sides of the equation is not equal to 0. And so in order to use the quadratic formula, we need to make sure that everything is on one side of the equation and that the other side is equal to 0. So all that means is there's going to be an extra step before we can identify A, B, and C and use the quadratic. So in this first example, I have x squared minus 2x plus 10 equals 2. And so because this right side of the equation is not equal to 0, I have to take a step to do that first. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, just so the right side is equal to 0. That leaves me with the equation x squared minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. Now, because this is equal to 0 here, I am ready to use the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's identify A, B, and C. A is 1, B is negative 2, and C is 8, taking those, remember, from the coefficients here. And now I can substitute it into the quadratic formula. So I'm going to write negative 2 plus or minus negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 all over 2 times 1. Negative 2, that's positive 2, plus or minus negative 2 squared is 4 minus 32 all over 2. X equals 2 plus or minus square root of negative 28 all over 2. And so at this point, we should now know that we're going to have I in our answer. We've got an imaginary answer here. And so, because I'm taking the square root of a negative number, I'm going to now continue this. 2 plus or minus, I'm going to just add that I in right now. I times the square root of 28 all over 2. And then I'm going to divide things by 2, so I have 1 plus or minus I root 28 over 2. The square root of 28 can be simplified. I'm not going to go over how to do that now. You can just leave it in this form if you want. But again, the only thing different about this from all of the ones that we did last week is that there's this initial step in the process. Okay? So let me know if you have any additional questions. There are a few where it's not just a number. You may need to subtract a different term like x or 4x or something like that, in which case you'll need to just do that first, and that will change up your answer a little bit. But if you have questions, shoot me a text, 215-543-2848. I'll be happy to answer anything that you have. Enjoy the short week, and I'll see you in class next Wednesday.